Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever found yourself feeling confused about what to wear to showcase your elegance and sophistication? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of old money style, exploring 7 things that these classy women absolutely never wear. These tips are not just about clothing, they're about embracing a mindset of subtle luxury and timeless elegance. Imagine walking into a room with an air of confidence, knowing that your style speaks volumes without shouting for attention. By the end of this video, you'll have valuable insights that will elevate your wardrobe and help you carry yourself with grace. So, whether you're looking to refine your existing style or completely transform your look, stick around because we have some incredible tips coming your way. And hey, I'd love to hear from you. What challenges have you faced when choosing your outfits? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey to elegance. Let's kick things off with our first point, avoiding overly branded clothing. Now, you might wonder, why is this so important? Well, women who embody the old money aesthetic know that true elegance lies in subtlety, not in flashy logos. When you see someone wearing a shirt plastered with a big brand name, it often sends the message that they're seeking validation. Instead, these sophisticated women choose quality over quantity. They opt for pieces that speak for themselves. Think of a beautifully crafted leather handbag or a tailored blazer without any visible branding. These items exude confidence and refinement, allowing the wearer to shine without the need for ostentation. Imagine walking into a room with a timeless piece that showcases your taste rather than your desire for attention. That's the kind of elegance we're aiming for. So the next time you're shopping, remember, invest in pieces that reflect your personal style and values rather than those that rely on logos to make a statement. What do you think? Do you prefer a more understated look? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Now let's move on to our second point, investing in timeless pieces. It's so easy to get caught up in the latest fashion trends. But here's the truth, those trends come and go. Women who embody the old money style understand the value of building a wardrobe filled with classic items that stand the test of time. Imagine owning a beautifully tailored wool coat or a perfectly fitted pair of trousers. These staples not only exude elegance but also offer versatility, allowing you to mix and match with various outfits effortlessly. A well made coat can elevate any ensemble, while tailored trousers provide a polished silhouette that works for any occasion. By focusing on timeless style, you create a cohesive wardrobe that reflects sophistication and confidence. You won't find yourself scrambling to keep up with fleeting trends or feeling overwhelmed by clutter. Instead, you'll have a selection of pieces that make you feel like the best version of yourself every single day. So take a moment to reflect. Do you have any timeless favorites in your wardrobe? I'd love to hear about them in the comments. Let's talk about our third point, choosing natural and luxurious materials. This is a crucial aspect of achieving that old money look. When you think about it, synthetic fabrics like polyester and acrylic often lack the elegance and durability that natural materials provide. Women who embody this refined style gravitate towards fabrics such as silk, wool, linen, and cotton. These materials not only feel luxurious against your skin, but also age beautifully, maintaining their structure and appearance over time. Imagine slipping into a soft silk blouse or wrapping yourself in a cozy wool coat. There's something undeniably sophisticated about that. Investing in high quality fabrics reflects a thoughtful approach to personal style. It's a way of prioritizing not just how you look, but how you feel in your clothes. These materials elevate your appearance with minimal effort, allowing you to embody that effortless elegance we all aspire to. So, the next time you shop, consider reaching for those natural fibers. They'll not only enhance your wardrobe, but also contribute to a more sophisticated and polished look. What's your favorite fabric to wear? Let's chat about it in the comments. Now let's dive into our fourth point, embracing sophisticated tones and avoiding overly vibrant colors and busy patterns. It's easy to be tempted by bright neon hues and loud clashing designs, but women who embody the old money style know that subtlety is key. Instead of distracting colors, they favor neutral palettes and classic patterns that evoke timeless sophistication. Shades like camel, navy, ivory, and gray form the foundation of their wardrobe, providing versatility and a polished look. Classic prints such as pinstripes, houndstooth, or plaid add just the right amount of texture without overwhelming the outfit. When you opt for muted or jewel tones, like deep emerald green or rich burgundy, you introduce a sense of richness that enhances your overall appearance without veering into excess. This deliberate choice creates a harmonious aesthetic that works effortlessly across different settings and seasons. So, the next time you're getting dressed, think about how the colors and patterns you choose can either enhance or detract from your style. What colors make you feel confident? I'd love to hear your favorites in the comments. Let's move on to our fifth point, prioritizing elegance and fit over revealing or ill fitting clothing. This is a crucial element of the old money aesthetic. It's all about achieving that perfect balance between modesty and allure. Women who embody this style steer clear of clothing that is excessively tight, short, or low cut. These types of outfits can come across as attention seeking and can diminish the overall sophistication of your look. Instead, they opt for tailored pieces that highlight their natural elegance without being overly revealing. Think about stylish options like a midi skirt, high waisted trousers, or a well fitted blazer. These garments not only provide a flattering silhouette, but also emphasize structure and refinement. The key is to showcase your best features subtly while maintaining an air of understated grace. And remember, even the most expensive garment won't look good if it doesn't fit properly. So always prioritize fit and tailoring, as this is a hallmark of the old money aesthetic. What's your go-to outfit that makes you feel both elegant and comfortable? I'd love to hear your favorites in the comments. Now let's discuss our sixth point, keeping jewelry subtle and refined. It's tempting to reach for flashy statement pieces or accessories that sparkle excessively. But women who embody the old money style know that less is often more. Over the top jewelry can easily overshadow your outfit and disrupt the harmonious aesthetic you're trying to achieve. Instead, these sophisticated women opt for timeless and elegant choices, such as delicate gold necklaces, pearl earrings, or a classic wristwatch. These accessories enhance your look without overpowering it, allowing your natural beauty to shine through. For example, simple gold or silver rings with minimal detailing are excellent ways to embrace that quiet luxury. They add a touch of sophistication while keeping the overall outfit balanced and chic. The philosophy here is about enhancing your appearance, not distracting from it. So when selecting your accessories, think about how they can complement your outfit rather than steal the spotlight. What are some of your favorite subtle jewelry pieces? I'd love to hear about them in the comments. Finally, let's explore our seventh point, letting natural beauty take center stage. This is a key element of the old money aesthetic that emphasizes enhancing your features rather than masking them with heavy makeup or elaborate hairstyles. Women who embody the style often opt for a polished, understated approach when it comes to makeup. Think soft, neutral tones like taupe, rosé, or peach, paired with a subtle highlighter to create a radiant yet subdued look. A hint of mascara, groomed eyebrows, and a natural lip color can complete your appearance without feeling overdone. When it comes to hair, simplicity reigns supreme. Clean, well-maintained styles, like sleek ponytails, soft waves, or a neat bun, exude refinement and versatility. This minimalist philosophy is not about perfection. It's about presenting yourself authentically and with confidence. By focusing on your natural beauty, you allow your inner elegance to shine through, embodying that essence of understated luxury. So the next time you get ready, consider how you can enhance your natural features rather than cover them up. What are your favorite beauty tips for showcasing your natural look? Share your thoughts in the comments. Now, let's take a moment to recap what we've covered today. We've explored 7 essential things that old money women absolutely never wear, and each tip is designed to help you refine your personal style. From avoiding overly branded clothing and investing in timeless pieces to choosing natural fabrics and sophisticated colors, every aspect contributes to an overall aesthetic of elegance and confidence. By embracing these principles, you're not just changing your wardrobe, you're cultivating a mindset of subtle luxury and sophistication. Imagine stepping out each day with the assurance that your style reflects not only your taste, but also your values. These tips empower you to curate a wardrobe that is both functional and chic, allowing you to feel your best in any situation. Remember, style is about personal expression and feeling confident in who you are. So, I encourage you to take these insights and apply them to your own life. What resonated with you the most today? I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Let's keep this conversation going. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's been a pleasure exploring the world of old money style with you. I hope these 7 tips have inspired you to refine your wardrobe and embrace a more elegant approach to fashion. Remember, it's all about the mindset of subtle luxury and timeless elegance. As you move forward, keep in mind that style is a journey, not a destination. Each choice you make can reflect your unique personality and values. So take these insights and make them your own. I'd love to hear your thoughts on today's discussion. What tips are you excited to try out? Please share your experiences and questions in the comments below. Your feedback means a lot to me and helps us all learn together. Let's continue building the supportive community centered around chic and refined fashion. Don't forget to engage with each other in the comments. Your insights could inspire someone else. Until next time, stay stylish, stay confident, and always embrace the elegance within you. Can't wait to see you in the next video.